Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Now we're using the color of rose big. Rose big color and writing alphabets A. The next one is B. B. C. C. D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fan. G. G for goat. Forest green color. The next one is H. H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. The next one is K. K. L. L. M. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Now we're using the color of cream. O. The next one is P. Q. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rice. S. S. T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. Now we're using the color of yellow, green color. V. The next one is W. X. Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z. Thank you so much for watching.